the dashboard for the organization manager, statistical data about the projects, resources and financial. In the project section, we can create a new project, we can give a name and description to them, and we can click the existing project, and we can update the project description, and we can also add an employee to the project, and we can also change the status of the move from here to here. And in this you can when you click the view resources, it displays you the list of all employees who are working on the specific project. And when you click an employee, you can actually see a lot of details about them. You can also see their skills. You can also remove them from an existing project, and also assign them to another project as well. And talking about the login for the user and candidates, they can log in with this link, and they can update their skills, they can remove their skills or update their skills. And the same goes here for updating, and they can request for leave. Once if they request for leave, you can see it highlighted here, and you can accept their leave request. And you can also search people by their position. When you put developer, it shows list of all developer, and you need to search with the full text, and substrings won't work here. And in the financial section, you can find the transactions made, which when we click the remit salary, whenever we click remit salary, a transaction is made, and you can see all the transaction of the specific user by providing their name, email address. Okay, in the chat section, we can chat with the developers. You can find that this developer is online, we can chat with them. Let's go there, and we can start with the organization manager. Hello there. And you can see there is another one message here. Let's put 1 and see whether 1 has arrived, and let's put 2, and we can see 2 has arrived. So yes, we do have a real-time chatting feature. This dashboard is so cool. You can have stats here. And talking about business, each plan has got a fixed number of resources and projects, and they have varying number and varying price.